Diego State. Not for what he accomplished with the football program, but for what he did in the classroom and the community. Lisa Lane has the story.
I think helping others, serving, things like that should be a lifestyle.
Paul Pitts III played 4 seasons with the Aztecs football program, but the 3-star recruit out of Rancho Cucamonga accomplished more on campus than on the football field. His most recent accomplishment being named the 2016 Arthur Ashe Jr. Sports Scholar of the Year for exemplifying high standards of scholarship, athleticism, and humanitarianism.
I'm encouraged by it. I feel special. I feel highlighted and valued, but I just give God the glory for it because I just feel like, man, trust me, it's not me. It's not me.
Pitts played in 18 games with the Aztecs, recording 2 catches for 23 yards. Not the type of college career a young man with NFL dreams envisioned when he first stepped on campus. But after an ACL tear his sophomore season, Pitts says he quickly realized his true purpose.
The first day of spring ball, the very next season, I tore my ACL, so God showed me pretty quick that you're not Vincent Brown, you're Paul Pitts. And, I have a different plan, a different purpose for you. And I seen my character beginning to grow and even surpass my gifts and talents. So I had to be content with the fact that maybe God brought me here to touch lives rather than score touchdowns.
While recovering from his injury, Pitts started to make his mark on campus and in the community, working with college ministry programs, helping the elderly, volunteering in hospitals, hosting Bible studies for other teammates, working with youth programs, and most recently, taking a mission trip to East Asia.
I didn't have to devote myself to extra running, to extra running routes, or just working and trying to be the best football player I can be. I had a lot of time to do other things and to see who I was apart from the game. And it's in that time where I devoted myself to others, and I devoted myself in my faith to Christ, and I really seen just a passion for helping people.
After graduating in May with a master's degree, Pitts says he plans on becoming a youth minister. Reporting from San Diego State for Fox 5 Sports, I'm Lisa Lane.
Power